Ready to make divine dollars? Discover how spiritual entrepreneurs turn their passion into profit. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. If that's you, then download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. Spiritual entrepreneurship is all about aligning your inner calling with business acumen. It's about weaving the essence of your spiritual value into every aspect of your entrepreneurial venture. For many, it begins as a deep realization that your passion can be harnessed to create something extraordinary and meaningful. Finding the courage to step into the realm of entrepreneurship can be exciting and intimidating. You might have experienced a powerful calling or a gentle nudge from the universe, guiding you to pursue something significant. It's essential to define your purpose beyond just financial gains. Take time to contemplate your true intentions. How can your business serve others? How can you contribute to the collective well-being? For me, it was crucial to create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs that not only help their business grow, but also elevate their consciousness. Discovering your spiritual passion and purpose might take some soul searching. Reflect on the activities that make your heart sing and your soul dance with joy. Your spiritual passion could be anything, from healing practices and holistic therapies to eco-friendly products and conscious coaching. But before you dive headfirst into your entrepreneurial ventures, it's crucial to validate your concept in the marketplace. Market research is essential for understanding your target audience, identifying their pain points, tailoring your offerings to meet their needs. One of the secrets to success as a spiritual entrepreneur is embracing your uniqueness and infusing it into your brand identity. Let your personality, values, and spiritual journey shine through your business. The path of entrepreneurship isn't always easy, and that's where business mindset comes in. Your spiritual growth will be tested, and you'll need to embrace the challenges with an open heart and a clear mind. It's natural to encounter moments of self-doubt. You may question your abilities and wonder if you're on the right path at all. I remember feeling apprehensive when I first launched my energy healing practice, but I soon learned to trust the wisdom of the universe and my own abilities. As spiritual entrepreneurs, you understand the power of intentions and manifestation. Set clear intentions for your business, visualize your success, and release any negative energies that may be holding you back. In the world of entrepreneurship, failure is inevitable. But instead of viewing failure as a setback, look at them as opportunities for spiritual growth. Embrace the lessons they offer and let them strengthen your resilience. Harnessing the power of digital marketing is crucial for reaching a global audience and expanding your impact. Digital platforms offer an incredible opportunity to share your spiritual wisdom with a vast audience. Leverage social media, email marketing, and content marketing strategies to build a genuine connection with your followers. In a world of noise, authenticity stands out. Share your spiritual journeys openly, highlighting both triumphs and challenges you faced. This vulnerability will attract a loyal following who resonates with your message. Social media isn't just about posting content. It's about building a community of like-minded individuals. Engage with your audience, respond to their comments, and create a safe space for meaningful conversation. Self-employment offers the freedom to create your own schedule, follow your passion, and achieve financial abundance on your own terms. Transitioning from traditional employment to self-employment can be daunting and yet liberating. You get to be the architect of your destiny, design your work environment, and infuse it with your spiritual essence. For many spiritual entrepreneurs, the concept of money can be challenging. It's crucial to embrace the idea that financial abundance can coexist with spiritual growth and fulfillment. As your business thrives, you might question how material success aligns with your spiritual path. Remember that success is a reflection of your hard work and the positive impact you're making in the world. Not everyone may understand or appreciate your spiritual entrepreneurship journey. Stay true to your purpose and let your conviction guide you through moments of doubt. As spiritual entrepreneurs, we hold ourselves to a higher standard. Always prioritize the well-being of your customers and the planet in every decision you make. Incorporate ethical and sustainable practice in your business. Not only does it align with your spiritual values, but it also sets an example for others to follow. By being a spiritual entrepreneur, you play a vital role in elevating the collective consciousness. Your work inspires others to follow their dreams, to make a difference, and diffuse the world with love and light. As you continue to blend your passion and business mindset, remember that the universe is supporting you. Trust in yourself, stay true to your values, and watch as divine dollars flow effortlessly, allowing you to make money doing what you love, shine brightly, and inspire others to do the same. Download your ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, comment, and consider subscribing to this channel. Remember to hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Want to read the full blog? Click on the link below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.